I think a very good training camp. We're working very hard. Everybody wants to be ready for the first game against Celje, which is an important game for us. So yeah, it's been good. Nice weather, training hard. It's a very difficult question because I think from the sport side of the story, you learn a lot. So I try to take, for example, from everywhere that I've been, I try to take everything with me, put in my bag, and get better and better. And city-wise or life-wise, everything it's I cannot say one was the best or no. For me, it's you go there, you adapt, you learn new things, and you move on. And now I'm very happy here in Maribor. But to say which one is the best is very difficult. Yeah, because my brother obviously he also played. He's playing now in Abu Dhabi. My father is living in Spain, and my mother it's like between the two because of to help me with my daughter and my family, and to help my brother with. He, by the way, got a new kid a few days ago, so the family it's growing, starting to be bigger. Yeah, very important, very important. I speak a lot with him. And I'm very happy that our family it's like a real family, It's we have a good situation. I'm very happy with this, and obviously to he's done his career. So if I have any questions or something that I want to know, or if he watches, because he watches every game. If he watch a game and he say okay, because he played the same position, so maybe next time do this, try to do this better. So yeah, it's for me very important. Now you want to make a problem with my mother and my father now. If I'm honest, because I'm born in the Netherlands and I live there, or I call this my home, but how I feel myself more, it's more the Tunisian. So I played for the Netherlands in the youth teams. And I think I was 18 when I get the call up for the national team of Tunisia, for the first team. So then I think, yeah, this is something that I want to do. And as back to your other question, I feel more Tunisian, so it was the choice was not so difficult. As I said, and when you're playing in under 19 in the Netherlands, and you're 18-year-old boy basically, and you get like a call up for the first team, it's not a difficult choice. So this is why it's very difficult. I try to learn, but then some guys they speak Croatian, then some guys speak Slovenian, other guys is Bosnian. It's like I get mixed up, So for example, it's a funny story. Yesterday somebody was in the physio room, and the physio was speaking with, I don't know, I think it was Suda, and they speak in Croatian. And I didn't understand nothing, but normally, if it's Slovenian, I understand little words. And I'm thinking, wow, I still don't understand anything. But then they said to me, no, this is Croatian, it's different, But I want to learn, yeah. Yes, but better not to say in camera. The whole country, if I'm honest, because for me, from this side of Europe, we don't know a lot about the other side of Europe. So I didn't know what to expect when I first came to Slovenia. But I was, from the first day, like pleasantly surprised. The country, it's a beautiful country. The weather is nice. So yeah, I didn't really expect this, but very positive. Yeah. My friend, I don't want to speak about this. Yeah, in London, this is how it is. I need to go to training. I remember very well. I needed to be there in 8:30. So normally I leave my house 8 o'clock in the morning, and I open the door like normal. And normally my car it's in front of my door, and I go out and it's not there. And I think, hey, where I park yesterday maybe, but I always put it there. And I'm looking the time, and I need to go to training because I'm gonna be late. So call Uber and I go to training, and then after nowhere to be seen the car. Police don't help nothing. I think this was in a very good friend of my father's house. I was supposed to be in the nursery, but my father said to me, like, every time when I drop you there and I go to look, you're sleeping. He said, I'm paying all the money to put you there, but you only sleep. So he said, I took you out and better to bring here. So then I started to paint and, you know, kid stuff. Yeah, it's true. No, it's true that Maribor now for me it's a special place, obviously. My first child. Very important to me that my wife and my daughter they like it. They feel easy, they feel safe, and the football skills. For me, she doesn't need to become. If it's a boy, yes, but daughter, she can do what she wants. I got better over the years. First was disaster, but lately I can make a few pastas, pizza. This picture was in a restaurant with my friend, and I told him I want to try to make one because he have this nice pizza oven, you know. He said, yeah, no problem, do it. And it was okay. Animals, no, I'm not really a pet guy. For example, dogs for me, I don't need in the house. Cats is okay. I like cats. Cats are nice. But for the rest, I'm not really like a big animal person or animal guy. You know, if you ask me, for example, favorite animal, I have no idea. I don't know what it's called, but you have all this. I don't even know what these animals are called in English. No, it's not goats, right? No goats, huh? Deers, yeah, deers. This was with the deers. Obviously, last year we had a Dutch player here, Menno Bergsen, and he knew something nice to do on our day off. I said, okay, let's go. But yeah, it was okay.